Hey, you.
The heck? What are you doing here?
What do you mean? I'm supposed to be the creepy guy in an alleyway.
This isn't an alleyway.
This is an alleyway.
This is my backyard, genius.
What? Okay, whatever. Do you want something?
Okay then.
How about some money?
Yeah, sure. I guess I want money, yeah.
Alright. Here, take the money.
Oh wow, yeah, that's a lot of money. I want that, yeah. Dang, wow. Yes, I'm taking this, thanks.
Alright, now skedaddle. Get out of here. Or whatever.
Just gotta put this in my pocket, and I'll be going. What's going on, guys? This is MC Productions. Welcome back to another video. Today, I just got this bundle of money, and I thought, what else can I do with it other than make it rain, you know? So, let's make it rain. Oh yeah. What's going on, guys? This is MC Productions. Welcome back to another video. Today, I just got this bundle of money, and I thought, what else can I do with it other than make it rain, you know? So, let's make it rain. Sir, I think we found our target. Wait, what was that? Holy!